Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams and I would like to welcome you to my channel, YouTube Success Strategies. And what I'm talking about today is how to upload a banner or channel art to YouTube. And the banner and channel art is what is showing up above your channel when you go to your channel page. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I do it on Loom. So follow me there. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go into the designs and really make sure that it's set for going into YouTube, because like I explained in my last video, which is where I started working with the designs, you want to make sure that it's going to show up on all the devices. So I uploaded another template that's going to help me make it a little bit more concise. So I'm going to go into this one that I was doing. There we go. Okay, so here I am in my Canva. Now, I do have a paid version, so what you get with the free version might be slightly different, and I can't really talk to the differences. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I can see what I need to see and make sure it's small enough to fit on the screens. So what I'm going to go into is my upload. So I uploaded this image right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it in to both of these projects here. There's this one. There. Excellent. And I'm going to drag it into this one too. So this is the nice thing about layers, is that, as you can tell, this used to be a graphic that YouTube had on the channel that you could upload and download to give you some bias. So it will give you some structure on the safe zones. Now, perhaps this doesn't apply to the new layout, but I'm going to try it anyway. So as you can see, this little graphic has the desktop max, the tablet minimum for mobile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it smaller here. So what we're going to do is do this. I'm going to make it this small. There we go. Because this is the safe area. I think I could do it a little bit more. Now, what we're going to do is, after we fix this just a bit, there we go. That's pretty good. Okay. In fact, I'm going to make that smaller. So this is we're going to experiment. And unfortunately, this is what you have to do when you make these banners. There's not like you can constantly just shape it, because we got to have to trial and error to make it fit. Okay. In fact, that should probably be here. And then I'm going to move this up. And I'm going to move this up right here. There. And I'm going to make this just a little bit. Okay, so what's helpful is you need to make it bigger here. So if you need to go in really small on Canva, we're going to make it a little bit larger. Let's do this right here. Awesome. Okay, there. See, that makes it a little bit easier for me to see what's going on. And I can push it up to here. I'm going to push this up to here. And then we're going to put this here, and I'm going to move this little graphic here. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and look at it smaller. There we go. And now what we're going to do with this page right here, what we're going to do, put done here. It's going to be, where is it? What I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn off the transparency. There's usually more than one ways to do things. Okay, so there. And so there's one. You know, it's not like a super rockin' type of banner, but it's going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to do the same thing on this lower one. Okay, so here's this one with the little creature. We're going to make this really small, like this. And we're going to move him here. There, yeah, so that's great. We're going to actually move this, maybe put this up here this time. And we're going to put this up. And then every Tuesday, kind of drag them in. Perfect. So let me fix this text. There. All right. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing with this background. We're going to make it like this. There. And also, we had that background. Where's that space picture? Right here. Photos. Yes. So we're going to add something like, let's search for space. And I'm going to just pull this in. There we go. Pull in. Nope. delete it. I'm gonna try to, sometimes it's kind of fussy. I'm gonna pull it in slowly, middle cover. Why isn't that working? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, well, if in doubt, you're just gonna pull it in the old fashioned way. There we go. I don't know why it's kind of sticking there. And this is where we're gonna do the position. So we're gonna put this in back and to the back there. Okay, so there's just like that little monster person. So we're gonna see how these work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to download them, prepare them to upload to my sample channel so you can see how it goes. So see me next at my channel page. Okay, so here I am at the YouTube place, and the way you're going to access how to customize your channel is you're going to go into right here. You're going to click on this thing right here. So you can either go through your channel or YouTube Studio. I think I'm going to show you both ways to do this. So I'm going to start with YouTube Studio because this is kind of the building blocks of where we're doing it. So obviously there's nothing here. This is my sample channel, and I'm going to move my face just a bit up here so you can see what we have on the YouTube Studio. So this is kind of where the videos are first analyzed, which is none. Right here is all your content. Right here is the analytics. Right here is the comments. Right here is the subtitles, copyright, monetization. Here, right here, customization. I don't know why they don't put this at the top. It's buried there, but that's where we're going to get the customization. It's going to come into this. Now that's the one way to do it. The other way is we're going to go into the channel. Yeah, so, and we're going to stay here and do this. So I'm going to show you another way, but I'll have to use a different browser to show you. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to push this all the way up here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the channel customization. So first off, we have the layout. So this is where you can put a trailer. This is where you have returning subscribers. Forget about this now. These guys, they should put the branding first because here's where the branding is. So this is where you're going to upload a picture, which is the thumbnail that shows up. And this is the banner. This is exactly what we're talking about. So let's talk about the profile picture later. We're just going to go into the banner, and I've already saved some to upload and see how they work. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go into my desktop. I have that test right here. And so we're going to try this first one and see if it works with that template that we designed. All right, so look at this. It's kind of different. It looks like it's viewable throughout. So yeah, this is new since I've been here before. This is really interesting. Okay, so it looks like it's going to work with this protocol. So let's press done and see what happens. All right. So here we are across the board. Now, normally it'll show you how it looks, or you can move it. So let me see, say rechange. Okay, I'm going to try this one. See what happens. There. And it used to be that you could move it around. I'm not quite seeing this thing, but we'll just try it. Okay, there it is. I'm going to say yes. There. And you can see how it fills in here. Now, it doesn't seem to be able to help you see it. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to click on publish. I'll have to publish it to see it. And we'll see if it'll let me get into the channel on this. Nope, it didn't. Okay. I'm going to go back and see. Yes, so this is a bit of trial and error. So I'm going to shut down this filming and I'm going to go check on it later because it takes a while to see it. And to be honest, it used to be a little bit easier. You could actually move things around. So yeah, this is why this is so problematic because there's lots of trial and error. I wish it was different. But I'm going to shut this down and then I'm going to see how it looks on the other side. So follow me there. All right, so it looks like it actually worked. Wow. So that graphic is key to make sure you have all the things that you need to see in that banner. See, awesome. I'm so happy it worked. Yay. So you can use that. You can also probably search for it and find it on Google, because that's that template that's going to help you make sure all of the important things are going to show up on the desktop. Now, here again, I said there's another way to do the customized channel. We're going to click on customized channel right here. Yep. And that gets you in there as well, but you can't see it. So I'm super excited. I hope this helped. Don't get frustrated. You sometimes have trial and error to get something that's really going to work. But this is exactly what we want. You can see all the text, everything that you want. It's a pretend channel, but I'm going to use this again to kind of help you guys master YouTube. All right. I hope this all works for you, and let me know any comments below what you need help with. Any questions, send them below. And also, I want to let you know that I do have a Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies, and that's where I offer free coaching. So if you want to find it there, you can find it in the description. All right, take care, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.